Dear children, welcome to session 3rd of polynomials. Watch this video and make notes. You already studied about algebraic expressions. In this video, I will solve only limited problems. By the help of this, you should solve the remaining exercise problems. Generally, we know how to factorize the given polynomials by taking common factor outside, or factorization by grouping the terms of the polynomials, or trinomials factorization, as well as using the suitable algebraic identities. In this video, we will just recall how to factorize the polynomials by taking common factor outside, or factorization by grouping the terms, as well as using the suitable algebraic identities, right? Now factorize the following. 4x square minus 12. We can factorize by taking common factor outside. Here 4 is the common factor, take outside. What is remaining? X square minus 4 3s are 12. So we can factorize in this way. Second problem, p square q square plus pq. Take common factor. Pq is the common term here, take outside. Pq plus 1 is remaining inside the bracket. Next, this problem we have to factorize by grouping them. Take common factor to this two terms. X is the common term, take outside. What is remaining? X plus 5 is remaining. Now 2x plus 10 plus 2 is common, take outside. X plus 5 is remaining. Again, in these two terms, common factor x plus 5, take outside. Here x plus 2 inside the bracket. So we can factorize in this way also. Next, one more problem. Take common factors. Q is the common factor, take outside. 2p plus 1 is remaining. Again, in the third and fourth terms, p is common, plus p, take outside. 2p plus 1 are remaining, is equal to, again in the two terms 2p plus 1 are common, take outside. Remaining terms are p plus q or q plus p, both are right. Yes, in this way we can simplify or factorize. Next, factorize the trinomial. A square plus 5a plus 6. We can factorize the trinomial using the method. On multiplication of first and third term, we will get 6a square, on which two terms will give you on multiplication 6 as well as sum as 5. Yes, 6 and 5, 2 and 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 plus 3 is equal to middle term 5. So we can write 5a as 2a plus 3a. Now write the first term as it is. Split up 5a into 2a plus 3a. Write the last term 6 as it is. Again, take common factors outside. A is the common term, take outside. A plus 2 is remaining. Again, write the same bracket, a plus 2. So I have to write plus 3 outside the bracket. Again, a plus 2 are common, take outside. Then remaining numbers are a plus 3. So in this way we factorize the trinomial. Again, one more problem. X square minus x minus 6. Write the product of first and last term. It is minus 6x square. Now On multiplication, which numbers do you get 6 as the product, and since it is a negative sign here, so difference as 1 is 2 threes or 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So I can write in this way 3x and 2x, and 6x square has negative sign, so and look into the middle term, it is minus x, so we have to either 3x or 2x has one negative sign. Which term has got negative sign? Because middle term is having negative sign, so put it into first larger number, minus 3x and plus 2x. So we will write first term as it is, minus x as minus 3x, split the term into 2, minus 3x plus 2x. Write the last term as it is. Take common factor outside. Which is common? X is common. Take outside. X minus 3 is remaining. Again write the same bracket, x minus 3 here. Now we have to keep plus 2 outside, because plus 2 into x plus 2x plus 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Again, what are common in the two terms? X minus 3 is common. Take outside. What are remaining? X plus 2 are remaining. So we can factorize that given trinomial in this way. Did you get this? Factorize x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. The constant, last constant, minus 120, write first. Then its previous term is plus 142x. Now write the same number 120 and sign of 142x, it is plus, and write the variable x also. Now in order to get plus 142x, what we have to do? For 120x we need again plus 22x. Now plus 22x plus 120x becomes plus 142x. Now write again 22 here and write the variable of minus 23x square, it is x square. So but put the sign of minus 23x square, so minus 22x square. To get minus 23x square, we need minus x square here, right? Then write the first term x cube as it is. Now 4 terms splits into 6 terms. By grouping these terms, we can factorize. Take common factor, x square outside, x minus 1 is remaining. Here also write the same bracket, x minus 1. So minus 22x is remaining outside the bracket, minus 22x. Here write the same bracket, x minus 1. So what we have to keep outside the bracket, 1 plus 120. Now in 3 terms, common factor is x minus 1, take outside, x square minus 22x plus 120, a trinomial is inside the bracket. Now factorization of a trinomial, first and last term product is plus 120 x square. On multiplication of which two numbers do you get product as 120 and sum as 22? Yes, 10 and 12. 10 12s are 120 and 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. But the sign of 22x is negative, so put negative sign to both the terms. So minus 10x and minus 12x. Now write the first term as it is. The trinomial will be written in the form of x square minus 22x split into minus 10x minus 12x. Last term plus 120 keep as it is. Again x minus 1, take common factor here. What are common factor? X take outside, x minus 10 is remaining. Here also x minus 10. To get x minus 10 inside the bracket, we have to keep minus 12 outside the bracket. Now it is equal to x minus 1 into here x minus 10 in two terms. X minus 10 is common, take outside. X minus 12 is remaining. So the factorization of the given polynomial is in this way: x minus 1 into x minus 10. I will write once again x minus 1 into x minus 10 into x minus 12. Now did you get this? Okay, let us move to one more same problem. X cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. Can you try to solve this? Okay. X cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. Write plus 6 first and again write plus here plus 6x here, and in order to get plus x, what we have to do? We have 6x but we need only x, so subtract minus 5x, subtract minus 5x. Now see here, plus 6x minus 5x is equal to plus x. Then again write 5x square, 5x square, and negative sign of minus 4x square keep here. Then minus 4x square, we need minus 4x square but we have minus 5x square. What we have to do is, minus 4x square. In order to get minus 4x square, we write plus x square here. Now it becomes minus 4x square. Write the first term x cube as it is. X cube as it is. So in this way we can factorize this. Now by grouping them, x cube plus x square, take common factor outside. X square is the common factor, take outside. What will you get? X plus 1. Again write the same bracket here, x plus 1. So minus x square, I already kept x inside the bracket, so we have to write minus x here. Again write the same bracket, x plus 1. So plus 6x, I wrote x first here, so I should write plus 6 outside the bracket. Now check whether these are right or wrong. Plus 6 into x plus 6x plus 6 ones are 6. Yes. Again in the three terms, x plus 1 is common, take outside. X square minus 5x plus 6. Once again a trinomial, we will get a trinomial. Now factorize this trinomial. 6x square, on multiplication of which two numbers do you get 6 as the product and sum as 6? 5, sum as 5, middle number, middle term is 5. Yes, 3 2s are 6. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we can split minus 5x as minus 3x minus 2x. Now write x plus 1 as it is. Here x square, I will write x square minus 3x split minus 5x into minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 x plus 1. Here take common factor outside. X is common, take outside. X minus 3, right here also x minus 3. So minus 3, 2 take outside. Okay, it becomes x plus 1 into, again the common factor is x minus 3, take outside. What is remaining? X minus 2. In this way we can factorize the given polynomial.